Hi friends, this is Ranish Malhan from PIXcompose, and today we are going to talk about how we can use image size window. Basically, we will understand how this window will work and how we can change the image size, we can reduce the image size, we can increase the image size, and how it will work effectively. So let's check this out. So this is the image menu. Here we have to go to affect this image. Here right now you can see that we have this size of image 5184 pixels by 3456 pixels with 72 ppi resolution. So let's check this out. Go to the image menu, and here you can see that image size. Click here. And now we have this window. We use this window to change the size of the image. So let's check this out. Right now we have this image. We can change the units in which we want to see the size, or we can change them according to our final result. Like I want to change it for the screen sizes. That's why I will go for the pixels. And here you can see that we have this size, and now we can change the size from here. Right now you can see that the width and height ratio is attached. Like if I change it to 1920 like this, you can see that the height is also changed because both are linked. Now if I change the resolution, like I want 300 resolution, you can see that the width and height is changed, but it also increases. That means the Photoshop resampled the image pixels and created new pixels according to them and redistributed according to the image. So basically it is introducing some more pixels in the image, but we don't want it because these are the fake pixels, and you can see that we have a very low quality image because we have increased it so much from the 72 resolution to 300 resolution. It is almost 3.5 times more than that previous image, so the print quality will be very low. So for that, what I will do, I will cancel this out, and now I will go to the image menu, and here you can see that we have the image size. Now click here. Here you can see that we have the width and height. Now we want to attach the resolution with it. How we can do that? I can click here on the resample. Now you can see that we have the resolution attached. Now if we are going for the print, we have to choose inches because we usually print in inches or mm. So I will go for the inches. Right now you can see that our image is 72 by 48 inches. Now I want a high resolution image, so 300 resolution will be best for it. You will see that the width and height will reduce because we are distributing 300 pixels per inch of the image. Right now we have 72 pixels per inch. That's why we are having this huge size of the image. So now if I distribute 300 pixels, now you can see that we have a canvas size of 17.28 by 11.52, for which we can easily use 12 by 18 inches canvas, which is very common. So in this way we can change the size. Here you can see that like this. Now if I click OK, you can see that we have the pixels, same pixels with the different resolution. Before that we had 72 ppi, and right now we have 300 ppi, but the pixels are same. The quantity of the pixel is same because we haven't changed the pixels. We have reduced the size in inches and we have introduced more pixels than before per inch. Basically we have increased the pixels per inch. That's why the size in the inches is reduced. but not in the pixels. That's how it works for the printing. Now we will have a very good quality if we print it on the 12 by 18 canvas. So now if we go back here in the image size, here you can see that we have the resample. If we go to the resample, when we can use that, you can see that the image quality is good right now. If I go here in the pixels, because we haven't reduced the size in pixels, that's why our quality is not changed. We have a very good quality of the image right now, but we have a higher resolution. You can see that it preserved our quality very well. Now if I change it to something like, I want to change it to 72 ppi per inch, you can see that the width and height is decreased because we have reduced the size of the image. Now we have lot of filters which we can use here, or we can leave it to the automatic. Automatic is best. If we want to increase the size, we can use preserve details. We can choose any one of these three. It depends on our result which one will work best for us, and we can use this one if we want to reduce the size. So basically this is up to us how we can use that, how we are getting a good result. So I think that you understood it very well. If you have any doubts regarding this or anything else in the Photoshop or in the multimedia field like 3ds Max, anything, you can ask me anytime on my social media handles. I will help you out in a very good manner. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon if you liked our video and want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.